Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be doing a review on this headset right here. This is the H9 AmpliGame headset from Fifine, and they were nice enough to send a pair of these out for me to review. And also, this is going to be the first time I've done a headset review, so this is going to be pretty new to me. So in this video, I will be doing an unboxing, then I'll go over the product, and then I'll give you my thought on this headset at the end of the video. So other than that, let's begin. Okay, so here is the box the headset comes in, and it actually looks pretty nice. It's nothing too fancy, and it pretty much just goes over all the features and everything like that. So let's talk about the price of this headset. You can find this on Amazon for under $40, and if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can actually get it a little bit cheaper than that. And you can also find this on Finefine's website, which I will leave links down in the description for it. And I'll also leave my Amazon affiliate link down there as well if you want to support my channel. So let's open up this box. Alright, so the first thing we get is the user manual. And then we get a box right here. Let's pop this open. It looks like we got your power cables and a microphone. I'm just going to set this off to the side. Is there anything else in here? Nope. And then you get the headset. It looks pretty nice. It's pretty light. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go over the headset. And the first thing I notice is pretty much this cushion for your ears. It's actually pretty soft. It feels like a memory foam. And as you can see, this is for your left ear, and then this one is for your right ear. And then at the top right here, you get a cushion for the top of your head, which it feels pretty good. And then you can actually adjust this as well by just pulling on this. And you can see it just slides out. This is pretty big. My head's not that big, but it's pretty big. I don't need it to be out that far. So let me just push this back in. Then you got these little braided cables right here as well, if it will actually focus. And those feel like they're going to be pretty durable. And then on the front right here, this is where you would insert your microphone, just like this. You just plug that in there just like that if you're going to use this. I'm going to unplug it for now. And then the cable right here is braided as well, and it feels pretty durable. So down at the bottom right here is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so this is the controller, and this is what you would use to control the volume of the headset or your mic gain as well. And then you can see down on the bottom, it shows which side controls which. So this side right here controls the headset, so you get your increase or your decrease. And then on the other side, we'll pretty much increase the mic gain or the decrease of the mic gain. And then in the middle right here is your 7.1 surround sound, and when you enable that, you'll actually get a red LED light that glows pretty much. And then on the side right here is your mute or unmute for the microphone. And then you also get a nice braided cable as well, and it seems pretty long, and I will actually measure it out to see how long it is, and I'll just post it down below. And then you can actually clip this onto something if you need to, or if you don't need to, you just kind of just let it float around. And then on your bottom, you have your USB type A. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in everything with this headset and pretty much test it to see how it sounds. And also I will do a sample of the microphone just so I can get a sample of how this microphone sounds as well. So just give me a minute to set this all up. Alright, so you can probably tell I have the new headset on my head and it looks pretty good. It feels pretty comfortable, so I have no issues there. The only thing is, this thing actually cuts out a lot of the sound around you, so I'm actually going to pull one of these cushions back so I can actually hear myself speak. It feels pretty good, and I'm one of those kind of people who like to hear myself speak when I do these videos, so it's kind of making it a little difficult for myself. So I'm just going to do that for now. So setting this thing up was pretty easy. It's pretty much plug and play, so all I did was just take the USB cord and plug it into an open USB port on my PC, and it was pretty much working. The only issue I could see happening is for like the first time use. When you plug it in, you may have to go into your PC settings and actually under the sound and then change your output device to the Fifine headset, and then you should be able to get sound and everything like that. So I guess now I am going to do a microphone test, so let me get that set up. Alright, so here is what the audio sounds like from the Fifine H9 AmpliGame headset microphone. I am running this through Streamlabs at the moment, so I do have some filters on to pretty much clean up any of the background noise and anything like that, which I'll be turning off in a second so I can do a sample of the raw audio, so I will do that now. Alright, so here is what the raw audio sample from the Fifine H9 AmpliGame headset microphone sounds like. And I did a couple playbacks to kind of see what it sounds like, and it actually sounds pretty good with no filters or anything like that, so I was actually quite impressed. So other than that, I guess I will just get right into my opinion of this headset overall, so let's do that now. Okay, so now I'm going to give you my opinion of this headset, and I'm going to break it down into 3 different categories, starting with the sound quality. So the sound quality of this headset is actually pretty good. I was able to listen to some music and some YouTube videos, and I didn't really get any pops or anything like that. And it seems like the 7.1 surround sound works pretty good, so I have no complaints there. And then the build quality of this headset's pretty good as well. I was sitting here flexing it to see if I could get any like creaks or anything like that, and I wasn't able to. So I'm gonna say build quality is pretty good as well. And then the last thing is comfort level, because you want to really have a comfy pair of headset if you're going to be gaming or anything like that for a long time. And it feels pretty good on the top of my head, and it feels pretty good in my ears. And then these cushions actually cut out a lot of the sound from around you. Like I was saying before, it was making it difficult to pretty much talk, because I do listen to myself while talking to pretty much do these videos, and it was kind of making it a little difficult. So comfort level, I'm going to say good as well. So other than that, I really don't have any complaints about this headset, and if you're looking for a budget pair of headset for under $40, I would actually recommend these. So I'm going to say that's going to be pretty much the video today. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more content, and other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.